8 million tons of plastic enter in the oceans each year. It is also enter our food chain. We cannot completely avoid it, but we can reuse it and we can dispose it if possible. We cannot burn plastic because it will harm us by dangerous chemicals. If we consume plastic at same rate, then there would be more plastic in the oceans than fishes. Most single-use plastic bags are used for only 12 minutes. It takes 1,000 years to decompose. We should keep cloth bag with us while going out, and we can reuse plastic box. This is one step towards making plastic-free Basvakalyan.